This is Tyler Whitfield reporting for DHS Press, Dominion High School student news organization. On May 2nd, a Supreme Court decision draft was leaked. This draft is related to a Mississippi abortion case. The upholding of this decision would overturn Roe v. Wade and make abortion legality a state-by-state decision opposed to a federal law. A very controversial topic, political and social figures have weighed in heavily on the news. In search of a new perspective, I interviewed students here at Dominion High School and asked for their opinions.
What I know about the potential reversal of Roe v. Wade is that it means that a lot of marginalized communities could lose access to important abortion rights and health care benefits. And it also just means that women lose the right to decide what to do with their bodies.
I've just been seeing a lot of stuff on social media and Twitter, Instagram, all that type of stuff.
I think it's really stupid. I think it's like the world is going backwards. I mean, like we have tried so hard to just gain our own rights and everything, and now it kind of feels like they're being taken away and they're telling us what to do with our bodies when they really have no say.
I personally believe that women should be allowed to do what they want with their body.
I don't agree with it. I think abortion should be fully legal because in certain circumstances I feel like it's extremely important, because in like situations where the mother could potentially die or it's like an unwanted kind of situation, you know, I think it's important to have that option just as a fallback.
I feel like it should always stay legal no matter how you do it in any other way or form. It should just be legal in general.
Overturning Roe v. Wade would impact high schoolers negatively. You know, if a high schooler becomes pregnant, then they wouldn't be able to get access to that abortion and they would have to carry that child. And that poses a lot of health risks just to the person carrying the baby.
I think a lot of people, even though like safe sex is practiced, what would happen is people would try to go through with unsafe abortions and it would just lead to like a lot of harmful things.
I have had discussions with my family about the overturning. We are Muslim, and so there is the religious element, and we all believe that, you know, no matter what any religion says, the politics of it is that people deserve to have access to abortions, safe abortions.
My family is very for the reversal of the court case. I don't necessarily agree with their opinion.
It would definitely cause them to leave abortion up to the states to determine whether it should be banned or legalized. So in a majority of the southern and midwestern states, it would be banned, and people would have to resort to driving miles and traveling to try to receive an abortion and leaving it super inaccessible to a large number of the population.
It should be down to a federal level, but like a state level would make sense because it just seems like the right thing, like for a governor to want to protect his own people.
Federal is kind of there to make everybody happy, and states can really just like do it based on like votes and majority and all that type of stuff.
I don't think it should be involved in any kind of court situation. I think it should be legal and left out of the court system because realistically, it is not anybody's choice but the woman who wants to get an abortion. So I think that involving the courts and the government just isn't smart, and I don't think it's right because, like she said, you know, it's like they're the ones that want to get the abortion. I don't know what that really has to do with government.